In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Mailchimp sign-up form into your Wix website. We'll start in Mailchimp to set up the form and then bring it into your Wix site so visitors can subscribe directly from your page. I'll walk you through each click and share a few helpful tips along the way. Begin by signing into your Mailchimp account. On the left side, click on Audience to open your audience tools. From there, choose Sign Up Forms. You'll see several options, but we want an embedded form, so click on Embedded Form. Next, select Edit Embedded Form to open the form editor. Give it a moment to load fully before making changes. On the left side of the editor, you'll see the Form Fields panel. This is where you can adjust or customize what your visitors will see. You can show or hide fields, rearrange their order, and tweak labels so they're clear. Keep it simple. Ask only for the information you truly need, like name and email, to encourage more signups. If you want to make a field required, this is the place to do it. You can also align the style with your website's look by adjusting basic settings here. When you're happy with the form, click Continue. Wait for it to load again. Mailchimp will generate an embed code for you. This code is a small HTML snippet that displays your form on other sites. Select and copy the entire code so nothing is missed. Now switch over to your Wix website. Open the Wix editor for the page where you want the form to appear. Click on Add Elements, then choose Embed Code. From there, pick Embed HTML. Drag the HTML element onto your page and position it where you want the form to live. Once it's placed, click Enter Code to open the input area. Paste the code you copied from Mailchimp into this box. If the editor mentions a link, don't worry. Use the full embed code you copied, not just a URL. Finally, click Update to apply your changes. You should now see your Mailchimp sign-up form appear within the Wix editor. If the layout looks off, you can resize the HTML element's frame to give the form more space and keep it readable. Consistent spacing and clear labels will help your form blend with your site and increase conversions. That's it. You've created a Mailchimp embedded form, customized the fields, and added it to your Wix website.